It's cooking time. Try the fish.
Sure.
Yeah, that's the Karimeen from our own Ashtamudi lake.
Wow, this is so amazing and delicious.
Thank you.
I really, really enjoyed it. My first time and really good.
Try a little more. You should take the flesh and the masala. Yeah. Yes. And along with that goes your Bloody Mary, right?
Yeah. So thank you, chef, for teaching me an amazing dish. Now it's my turn to give it back. So I'm going to teach you an easy and simple cocktail today. So we are going to make a classic cocktail, which is the Bloody Mary, with a simple twist, just an ingredient twist. Okay. So they say Bloody Mary should be consumed before noon.
Before noon.
Yes, but that's not the case. You can have it any time of the day. The reason they say because vodka and tomato juice concoction is known to cure hangover. So that's why before noon, so first thing when you get up and if you have an hangover, this is the perfect drink to have. So ingredients for this cocktails are vodka, your fresh tomato juice, fresh lime juice, we are going to use WC sauce, Tabasco sauce, and we're going to rim it with chili and salt rim. And the additional sauce is going to be, the signature is barbecue sauce. So it's going to be a barbecue Bloody Mary. So first thing is we are going to rim the glass. Now we are going to take the glass, turn it upside down, take a lime wedge, just gently half. The reason I'm doing half rim because certain people like to have it with salt rim, certain do not prefer to have it with the rim. So it's up to you, you can rim it half and see how the guest can like both ways. Just tap the excess. Keep your in. Now the method for this drink, the classic way you can do is a stir, you can do a throwing method or even a shaken method. So today I am going to do a shaken method drink. So we take a small tin. First we are going to add in is Tabasco sauce, 2 to 3 dash. We want a nice spicy. We're going to add 1 bar spoon of barbecue sauce. Just half a bar spoon of WC sauce. Mix it. We are going to use fresh lime juice. So just 15 ml. The next ingredient is we are going to use fresh tomato juice. Now actually tomato juice when you use, the reason tomato juice has a lot of nutrients in it. It's filled of nutrients and when you use fresh tomato juice, you have the nutrients which our body doesn't absorb eating raw tomatoes. By juicing the tomato, you release all the nutrients. So that's what going in our drink. So 120 ml we are going to add. And our main ingredient vodka. So 60 ml of vodka. Just gently stir it first. We're going to add ice in a big tin.
So you need more ice for that.
Yes, because we're going to shake the drink.
And this will take out the hangover.
Yes,
Wow.
it's the best remedy for curing
I should
hangover.
suggest all my friends then. They'll be very happy.
So each and every ingredient in this cocktail has some of the good value for a drink. It's known as healthy drink.
Healthy.
Yeah, so they say one should consume at least 5 servings of vegetable a day. So start your day with Bloody Mary.
Okay.
That gives you a head start for it.
Very
It's
good.
full of vegetables.
Trust me, I've already listed it in my bucket list.
Want to try shaking?
No, you can.
So first thing like this,
yeah.
this and this.
Okay.
Try.
Like that, right?
Yeah, up and down.
Like that?
Yeah, just but in speed. Yeah.
Like that? Oh, okay.
different.
Okay.
They're going to use fresh ice in this.
Okay. Again.
Yeah, they're not going to use this. Ice is already cracked and diluted.
Okay.
They're going to use fresh ice.
Okay.
So this is your hawthorn strainer
Okay.
and your fine strainer.
Okay. You call it double strainer.
Yes.
Okay.
Fine strainer or double strainer.
Okay.
Hold it like this.
Okay.
Since we're using fresh juice, so it's going to be thick.
Okay. So I should go home and buy all these equipments.
Yes.
Is it available in Amazon?
Yes, it
Wow.
is.
Okay, that's good. So finally the drink is ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are going to just give a garnish with a lime wheel.
Okay. What do you say that?
A lime wheel.
Okay.
This is really
Try
good.
them.
It's
Thank
delicious.
you. And this one.
I hope you enjoyed the cocktail.
I like that barbecue flavor, the
Great,
smoky
that's-
barbecue flavor, and that especially I'll enjoy it with the
Rim.
rim. Yes.
Spicy rim. So guys, we are going to go ahead and enjoy our dish with the amazing cocktails. So see you in the next episode of Say Cheers with
Gisela.